going to teach you how to drive a forklift all within 60 seconds. For legal reasons, I should say you should not do this without a license, but let's get into the video. After you finish using the forklift, the forks need to be on the ground and it needs to be tilted forward. This forklift has 2 wheels at the front and 1 at the back because we've got smaller spaces, so it's able to turn sharper. It's also an automatic, so we don't have gears. Okay, let me teach the controls. This is the brake, so that's it released, that's it on brake. This is the gear that we have, so forward and back. This is the control of the motion of the forks, and this moves the forks left or right. The travelling position for the forks is ankle height, so let's do that. Lift them up, lift them back, and that is about perfect. The reasons we travel like this is because if we do have an accident, it's only going to hit the lower part of the legs and not injure someone seriously. Again, you shouldn't do this without a license, but just in case you are interested.